Top 5 mistakes that destroy relationships. Many relationships don't fail because of no one love. They fail because of small mistakes repeated every day. Mistakes you may be making right now without ever knowing. Today I will show you 5 dangerous mistakes that destroy relationships. Stay until the end. One of these may be the reason your relationship is failing. My name is Mr. Jonas. Please click like, click subscribe and write comment. One mistake, lack of communication. Many people stop talking honestly. They hide feelings. They avoid hard conversations. They stay silent. Silence creates distance. Truth. If you don't talk, problems grow bigger. Solution. Speak honestly. Listen carefully. Don't wait too long. Mistake 2. Taking your partner for granted. At the beginning, you show love, attention, effort, but later, you stop trying. You think they will always stay. Danger. People live where they are not valued. Solution. Appreciate your partner. Show love daily. Don't become lazy. Mistake 3. Too much control. Trying to control your partner. What they do, who they talk to, who they live. This kills love. Psychology. People need freedom to feel happy. Solution. Trust more. Respect space. Don't control every day and everything. Mistake 4. Ignoring red flags. You see problems, but you ignore them. Disrespect, lies, not effort. You hope things will change. Truth. What you ignore today will hurt you tomorrow. Solution. Face the truth. Set boundaries. Don't exhibit bad behavior. Mistake 5. Lose yourself. Many people lose themselves in love. They forget their goals. They forget who they are. They give everything and lose their value. their value. Psychology. Attraction needs individuality. Solution. Keep your life. Grow yourself. Stay confident. Final message. Relationship don't break in one day. They break slowly. Because of this mistakes. But here is the good news. You can fix them. If you change your actions, your relationship can change too. My name is Mr. Jonas. Thank you for watching my video. Click like and click subscribe. Come in comment and wait. I will fix my mistakes. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Ciao.